Hi there, congratulations on your engagement and thank you for finding your way to the Makeup and Hair for Brides marketplace. I just wanted to give you a little rundown on how the site works, both how to register as a bride, a little information on your bride's profile, and also how to make a booking. You can either search the list of stylists and view their individual profiles first, or you can set up your own bride's profile by registering as a bride on the site. Either way, to make a booking, you'll eventually need a profile. It's just whether you want to set this up first or view the stylist profiles first and then register once you're ready to book. To register on the site is very easy. Simply click Register at the top of the forbrides.com.au website and then select Register as a Bride. This will take you to a form for you to input basic details, after which you will receive an email to confirm your email address and link you back to your profile. You can then log in using your email address and the password you set, which will take you to this screen. This is your bride's profile. In here you add in your details, change your password and add your credit card details. Further down the screen you can add in details of your other suppliers. Many brides use this as an area to store their supplier information, and we use this to ensure we credit your suppliers in the event that we are provided with wedding photos to promote on social media. You will see the section Venue Partner Code. If you've booked a package with a wedding venue or wedding supplier that includes a credit towards our site, then this is where you input the code they have given you. Based on the value, it will pull in a credit for that amount. From here, you can go shopping and book your preferred stylists. To book a stylist, first view their profiles, including a gallery of their work, read their bio and any critical booking information that they may have. This will help to ensure they are a great fit for you. At the top of their profile, click on Booking and this screen will appear. If you have a venue credit, this can only be used towards your actual wedding day makeup and/or hairstyling and not trials, so you don't need to turn on the trial toggle button, but just simply work your way down the form, filling in the details required. You can come back later on to make a separate trial booking if you wish. When inputting your timings, we do strongly recommend your completion time is at least 90 minutes prior to your ceremony time. This allows you time to get dressed, time with your photographer, and then time to travel to the ceremony location. Further down the page is where you add the services that you require on the day and how many people require each service. Please continue to add a new service line for each separate service you wish to book. If you're booking both a makeup artist and a hairstylist, you'll need to do this for each stylist, i.e. make two separate bookings, one for makeup and a separate one for hair, unless you found a stylist you like who does both services. As you add services to your booking, the calendar view will be built out and will show the start time that particular stylist needs in order to have you finished by the completion time you have indicated. As each stylist sets their own timings, this ensures that adequate time is allocated for that particular stylist for all the services you have booked. Once you have finished adding all your booked services, the total for the booking will appear below. Payments are scheduled leading up to your wedding day as per the payment schedule listed in our terms and conditions and frequently asked questions. If you have a venue credit, then the system will use this credit first, and then if there's still an amount due after this, it will charge a credit card. The ForBrides Marketplace site will automatically confirm a booking if the stylist is available on your booking date, plus it meets our 3-point booking criteria. Number 1, the booking is for 3 or more people. 2, it is within the stylist travel inclusion zone, and 3, has a start time of 6 AM or later. If it falls down on one of these points, then it will become an inquiry first, sending the information to your stylist, allowing them to confirm, reject or add on a travel fee or early start fee if applicable. The stylist may still accept this booking, however we do not automatically confirm bookings that don't meet these 3 points. Once the stylist has confirmed, or rejected or edited your booking to add a travel fee if applicable, you will receive an email to advise as such, and you can then proceed to confirm the booking, or you may choose to reject this as well. Once you confirm the booking, it is then locked in with that stylist. Of course, if your booking meets the 3-point booking criteria, then the booking can be confirmed instantly online. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive an email with a link to the booking in your bride's profile, as well as a PDF attachment with the confirmation letter of your booking. You can view your bookings at any time in your bride's profile under Bookings. When you're in the early planning searching stages, you may choose to save your favourite stylist to come back to later. These of course will then appear under Favourites in your bride's profile. Your bride's profile also allows you to upload inspiration images of looks you like. Your stylist, once booked, can then view your inspiration images, or you may choose to send these via the message function. Of course, you don't have to use this function, it is just there to provide a location for you to store looks that you like for future reference. So that's about it in terms of how to register and make a booking on the ForBrides Marketplace site. If you wish to book in trials with your stylist, then you simply need to make a separate booking, sliding across the trial toggle button at the top and then filling in the details again. As a trial is generally only for the bride, this will be an inquiry until confirmed by the stylist, and payment is charged to your credit card and not against any venue credit. Please be sure to read the individual stylist profile on any notes pertaining to booking trials. If you have any questions along the way, please reach out by using either the pop-up contact form on the site, emailing info@makeupforbrides.com.au or calling 1300 4brides. Happy wedding planning!